Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video for you all, and today I will be reviewing and also creating a nail tutorial with the Polygel kit from Ohuhu. This one is the nude kit and it was absolutely stunning. I loved this kit. I have worked with them in the past, so I do have videos on my channel working with their other Polygel kits, and I absolutely recommend them. I give them a 10 out of 10, and here I'm just briefly showing you everything that it includes. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and thank you so much for watching. And by the way, I apologize for my voiceover. Every single time I do it, it sounds like I'm outside or there's a fan in the back, but the reality is that my laptop, every single time I want to do my voiceover, the fan turns on and I don't know how to have a better voiceover. It really does suck because I did invest a lot of money in a good mic and laptop, but at the end of the day, it all still sounds like I'm outside, so who knows, but I do apologize for that. And I will have everything linked down below for you all if you're interested in purchasing this kit, which I definitely recommend. And you also get some percentage off when you go on the Amazon site, and you'll see that you'll be able to get 5% off your order. So in today's tutorial, I will be creating a marble look. So I'm just grabbing these 4 colors that you guys are seeing right now, and I'm just putting them side to side. And then using my spatula, I will go in and just start swirling it around to my desired liking. So now I'm going to be applying my base coat and then curing it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. And I will be doing the lazy girl method, also known as the Femi Beauty method. And this is just a super simple, easy look that anybody can achieve, and that's a lot of fun creating. So here, that is what I am doing, and I am using the XL long square full coverage nails from Aliexpress, which are an absolutely amazing set of full coverage nails, and they are so affordable. I believe they're like $4 max, or maybe $5 with taxes, but they're super affordable and they bring 500 pieces. I definitely recommend you guys check them out. So now that I am done, I'm just placing on the nail, and I'll go in and clean up the sides if I have to, and then I'll go under my UV lamp and cure the nails for 60 seconds. And now I'm just repeating that process for the rest of the nails. And remember, if you want any sort of a nail application to last, remember it is very important for proper preparation of the nails. Apply a dehydrator or some alcohol to remove all the oils from the nail. Then go ahead with a primer, which is a nail bonder that allows the nails to last longer and avoid lifting. So remember, not every single primer is going to work for you. It is all trial and error, so just keep that in mind as well. Now that I am done applying the nails, I am just grabbing a lint-free wipe with some acetone and just going in and removing the tacky layer from underneath and on top of the nails. Sometimes the polygel gets a bit messy, so that is what I am doing here. And then I'm gonna get ready to buff the nails, shape and file them. Now I'm buffing out the nails to remove the shine, since I will be applying my own top coat. Next, I'm going in with the nail file that the kit brought, and I'm just lightly reshaping the nails along with cleaning the sides if any of the polygel smeared out. So now I'm going to be using these 2 colors along with a nail art brush to create these abstract trendy lines that I see everywhere on social media. I wanted to try it out, so that is what I'm going to be doing here. And I was afraid to try this out because my hands are very shaky and I didn't know if I was going to be able to achieve those lines properly, but indeed I was actually able to, and it was so fun and relaxing to actually create these swirls. So I definitely recommend you guys try it. It's actually really easy and really easy to clean up if you want to make it a little bit more clean. But yeah, that is what I am doing here, and I did 2 coats of each color. After I am done, now I'm going in with some matte top coat for all the nails except for the ring finger and the middle finger. Those will be glossy, so that is what I'm going to be doing here. So these are what the nails are looking like after I've applied my top coats. They look so cute. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought of this nail tutorial. I really liked it, thought it was really pretty, and I loved the combination of the matte with the glossy and the marble and then the pop-up abstract lines. I thought it all went really nicely together. So let me know down below what you guys think. Now we're going on and applying some cuticle oil, and that is it for today's tutorial. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.